Do you want to create WhatsApp channel? You can make new WhatsApp channel with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To create a WhatsApp channel, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're on WhatsApp, go to the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see status updates and channels. Now, tap on the three dots menu icon at the top right of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Create Channel. A new screen will appear explaining what channels are. Tap on Continue to proceed. You'll see the channel setup screen. Here, you can customize your channel. First, enter a name for your channel. You can change it later if needed. Below the channel name, write a short description to let your followers know what your channel is about. You can also add a channel logo by tapping the camera icon to upload an image or logo that represents your channel. Once you've added all the details, tap on the Create Channel button. Your WhatsApp channel is now created. You can start posting updates, photos, links, and videos.